in Quebec City. We just arrived to the hotel. We are staying at the Fairmont Le Chateau Frontenac. I forgot that last part there. First time in Quebec City, first time in this hotel. I've always wanted to stay at this hotel. Since we go to Disney a lot, and Epcot especially, the Canada Pavilion has this hotel as their landmark. So I've always wanted to stay here. And so scored a room here. We are on the 10th floor, and it's a king bed, and it's beautiful. We're overlooking the city. It was a little more expensive, but we looked over the water. I said, we'll go to the water and look out at it. It's not a big deal. And it's a great little room. And we are excited to be here to explore Quebec City, walking around everywhere and see what this ancient walled city, not ancient, but old walled city is gonna show for us during the next few days that we're here. So I hope you enjoy this latest edition of our travels, and come along and hello, Quebec City. All right, let's give you a tour of room 1008. Walking right in, full-length mirror, and to your left there is a walk-in closet, good space, typical. Oh, there's a scale too and a nice umbrella. And then if you turn over to your right, you've got some split doors. This leads into the bathroom. Not too big, but it's got everything you need, nicely decked out. Looks new, and nice toiletries as well too. And then now back into the room. There's a connecting door. We won't need that. And let's see, a little chair in the corner here. Some nice calming artwork. And then here's a king bed. And let's see here. We've got a nice work area. A little, what do you call these things? Is this a settee? I don't know what that is. Nice size. If we take a look outside, we have a city view. So I'm not sure what that tall building is, but straight ahead, this is part of the hotel. It's a massive hotel, so here's other parts of it. Let's see, what do we have here? Coffee supplies, some snacks. We're not touching that. We don't want to get charged for it. In the middle we have ice bucket glasses, and it looks like a very sensitive fridge. We're not touching that either. We don't want to get charged. And then lots of drawers and little storage areas. Perfect. And oh, I forgot to mention here, we open the drawer. There is a safe in the nightstand, so that's a great location. And that is the room tour. I even almost missed this. There's a little card, and there's a couple of chocolate covered strawberries out here. What a nice little surprise and treat. Oh, let's see. Look at that. What a nice little treat. Thank you. Thank you, Le Chateau Frontenac. So we've had a chance to unpack and get the lay of the room, and love the room. I mean, it's smaller than normal, but it's got everything that you need. Safe, stuff for coffee, even though we don't drink coffee. The bathroom is nicely appointed. Little touches everywhere that really, make it like you feel nice about where you are. And the little welcome strawberries that they give us, the chocolate covered strawberries, is really nice too. And there's also a little welcome free gelato down by the boardwalk, I think. We'll check that out either today or tomorrow and get some free gelato while we're here. So the room is very nice. We are checking out the lobby of the hotel. We just booked a tour. And this must be like the central gallery shopping area. Shops everywhere. And somebody's going to be shopping already. Here is the empty reception lobby area that we just checked in. It was hustling and bustling just an hour ago. And now, here's the other part. Here is the where we checked in earlier. This is the central courtyard. It's a magnificent structure. So right outside the hotel, there's going to be a lot of buskers. There's some performing over there. I don't know who the statue is. Maybe it's of Champlain. I think he founded Quebec City. So just steps from the hotel is the Chic Shack, a burger joint. I think we're gonna check it out. So we just wandered over to the Chic Shack. It's a burger place. It's like steps from the hotel. And we wandered over and they were able to get us a table outside, miraculously. And if I'm gonna spin you around, you're gonna see how close we are to the hotel. Look at that, it's gorgeous. There's a park across. We ordered a milkshake. It's a 70% dark chocolate. It's lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be much darker, but here it is. That went really fast. We're debating, do we get another one or was one enough? That is not true. You did not get a sip. You finished most of it. Alright, so our meal has come out. I got the bison burger with a blue cheese. And then we got a bowl of the truffle fries, but they're mixed with regular potatoes and sweet potatoes. And then, what did you get? Which burger is this? Is this barbecue?
That's the barbecue beef.
Barbecue beef burger. And let's enjoy. Well, we just finished dinner at the Chic Shack, and it was really good. The fries were really, really good. I love truffle fries. And we're heading up to the boardwalk to take a look at the views. Let me spin you around. Look at the views. Woo. Pretty. Let me spin it. If I spin you back around, so straight ahead is where we had dinner, the Chic Shack, and we're gonna climb up these stairs. There's the hotel. It's kind of loud because I think there's a busker going on over here. But yeah, the burgers and the fries were really good at the Chic Shack. Beautiful sitting outside. The weather was beautiful. Really, really enjoyed it. So definitely check it out. We're on the boardwalk overlooking the river. I forgot what river this is. Maybe it says Champlain River. I don't know. I'll have to take a look. right, so I was going to ask you, what'd you think of dinner tonight at Le Chic Shack?
It was very good, except that most everything was very small.
You liked the shake, that was really good.
It was small. It was good.
It was only
The
$8
hamburger
Canadian
was good,
dollars.
but
It was so
small.
and this,
The French fries that were just okay, of course, they came in a giant bowl.
and
The good
and
stuff.
we have some to take with
The
us.
good stuff was small.
But it was good. So we reached the end of the boardwalk, and look what we find here. Look at this pretty ship, whatever this is. A tugboat, whatever this is. I don't know, it looks like a tugboat. Maybe it's like an official, and there's all red and everything. There's an H, maybe it's like a military, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, you got that right.
But it looks very nice.
That is a tugboat.
That's a tugboat? Okay. And here's Lake Champlain, or the Champlain River.
What are the brown things?
I have no idea. Now we are back at the entrance of the Le Chateau Frontenac, from the other side from where we entered. There's clocks there. I think we're up here somewhere.